Hey, this is Jan here. In this video, we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A70 update rolling out with January 2020 security patch. Yes, guys, South Korean smartphone maker Samsung has started rolling out a new software update for Galaxy A70 users, and the new update brings the latest January 2020 security patch to the device. As per the changelog, the update also improves the overall system stability of the device as well. And the Samsung Galaxy A70 January 2020 under security update carries the software build version A705F XXU5ASLA and is currently rolling out for users based in Southeast Europe and Switzerland and Netherlands as well. However, it could be available to other regions soon as well. RPRNA report says that the update is still based on Android 9 Pie operating system, and the OTA update is rolling out in a staged process, so it should take a while before reaching all Samsung Galaxy A70 devices globally. And users also will get a notification to download the update. Alternatively, the update can also be checked by going to settings, then software update menu. Then company is also likely to roll out this January 2020 security patch to more Galaxy devices in coming weeks as well. And the Samsung Galaxy A70 latest security update fixes a critical security vulnerability as well in the device, and this could have enabled a local malicious application to bypass user interaction requirement to gain access to additional permissions as well. And the update also fixes an exploit that could have lead to remote information exposure of the device. So yeah, guys, that is all. Let me know what you think about it, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Peace.